Here we have a 1968 Oldsmobile Cutlass Convertible S trim. This particular car powered by a 350 rocket engine underneath the hood, and that is a numbers matching engine, so original to this car. And you'll be able to see where the VIN is stamped into the deck on it in the still pictures, and I'll tell you where to check those out in a little bit. As far as equipment on this car, it does have power steering, power top. Was originally a provincial white car, so still very similar to the way it would have came as far as exterior color. Interior was parchment, and somebody has added red seats to this and black carpeting. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures of this, so you can see the underside, you can check out that deck where I'm talking about the stamping is on the engine. Check out the trunk. All the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726, and we'll start it up a little bit. I'll pop the hood and we look underneath it. Paint in the car, nice shape. There are some restoration pictures that go with this car, and it was basically the engine tranny was still on the frame. The majority of the car, as far as hood, fenders, doors, blown apart off of it, and work done with them off of the car. Where there was some rust replacement above the wheel wells, metal was welded in. There is also pictures of that. As you can see, pretty dang straight car up and down the passenger side here. Now riding on the Oldsmobile Rally style wheels. Interior is vinyl. Like I said, originally would have been parchment. I believe the door panels, they do look like they're original, with the exception, of course, of the red armrest where they kind of tied the red seat in. Very stock looking dash. Power top does work. Along with this car, the radio, I can get it to power up, but it will not play any sort of music, sounds, talk radio, anything like that. But there is a replacement radio in the trunk, brand new, still in the box. It's like a later model retro sound type radio, and there's also a speaker in there, and you can see those in the still pictures. Along with those still pictures, this car also has a protecto plate, original owner's manual, warranty booklet, convertible top, operating manual. All of those are with it. Those can be seen in the still pictures. I'll tell you where to check those out, and I'll get begin in a little bit here. Now remember, financing is available. We do consider trades. We can assist with shipping, and there may be an extended warranty available for this vehicle. You'd want to consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Bright work on it, I would say it shows its age a little bit. Is it still very presentable? Absolutely. But you can see a few little kind of scuffs or some wear areas in the bright work. But overall, you can see the paint has a nice luster to it. Bright work looks good. Yeah, are you going to find a few spots like this where there's a few little dings here and there in it? And again, take a look up and down the driver's side of this car. You see it's not full of nicks, dings, scratches. That paint's laid on there nice. Now those still pictures, so if you want to check out the protective plate, the manuals, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Of course, this was the first year of the third gen Cutlass. The A bodies were pretty much all redesigned from General Motors in '68. Now there's also pictures of the carpeting underneath the floor mats. I just threw those back in here for the video, but you can check out in the still pictures and see underneath the floor mats. Had them all out. Check out the trunk. It's a nice looking combination with the red interior and white car. Of course, the black top, and the top is newer. I can't remember if I mentioned that or not. Top looks about like new when it's up, and you can see that in the still pictures. Power top works fine. Some of the other things I noticed as far as working, wipers work great. The blower fan for the heat and defrost and everything works good in here. car starts very easily. Like I said, I have the radio powered up, but I did not have it actually producing sound or music. And there is a new one in a box in the trunk that will go along with this. Blower fan and everything. Worked fine, medium, low, and high. Come down off that high idle a little bit. You're warmed up. Like I said, I did have wipers working also. Want to see those work? We'll click them on quick. 2 speeds, low and high. Horn works. Alright. See how nice that door closes. Very solid too. Slip around to the back. No crazy obnoxious exhaust. Anything too loud. Looks like you'd expect a stock Olds 350 to sound. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. I want to pop this hood and let you take a look underneath there and check out the engine bay. Alright, here we go. Oldsmobile Rocket 350 V8 power steering car. Nice tight, neat engine bay. And again, numbers matching. Original engine to this car. That is clearly shown in the still pictures, where you can see the stamping on the block, as well as over 100 pictures, I would say, of this car from the underside, interior, inside and out, top to bottom. So go check out those still pictures. Looking for a nice A-body convertible 1968 Oldsmobile Cutlass S. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website where you can see the pictures. And remember, we can assist with transportation. Financing is available. This car may qualify for an extended service contract, and we also consider trades. Give us a call. We look forward to hearing from you.